What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.02797. We're up 4.3 on the day, seeing a market cap of 72 million, 25 volume 61 million. So we're looking to complete the wave 5 of a potential leading diagonal. Now it would be an ABC 3-wave move. So you have a nice A wave up, the wave B pullback, pushing up in a wave C. We've already broken that previous high, so we can turn around at any time. But if we do push up to that trend line, you would push up to about 0.02921 before potentially rolling over in a larger wave 2 pullback. That's what I think is likely. For our friend Gala Games, we're printing the bullish cross on the daily, which is a massive sign of strength. Here's the last time we printed the bullish cross, the 20 EMA over the 55. And we saw an absolutely massive pump to the upside of 133%. So that could definitely happen again. Once we finish this impulse, we pull back, potentially pull back to the bullish cross. Sometimes you're going to break below it a little bit before continuing back to the upside. This is one of our swing trades. We have multiple swing trades for Gala that are open. We recently locked in some juicy profits on our Gala trade. I posted the weekly results for our crypto and Forex. We absolutely smashed it for 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. That's what I'm looking at. Push up to that trend line, see a rejection, pull back in a wave 2 before continuation back to the upside. Of course, anything can happen. You could see a straight breakout. You could see a dump. We just go off of what we think is the most probable scenario, and that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We have broken the wave 3 high, so the turnaround can happen at any time, as it may follow BTC if we come down in a wave C. But if we can push a little higher, just watch that trend line right around 0.0292 before pulling back in our wave 2 and seeing continuation. That will offer another trade opportunity, another trade entry on that wave 2 pullback. Signal will be given in the Discord. We're in multiple crypto trades, multiple Forex trades. I do my trading here on BitConnect. My subscribers only get a 10% commission on their trading fees, which means you get 10% back. Every time you make a trade, you will get 10% back on your fees. Grab those bonuses, no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. My signals are 10 bucks a month. Daily signals, guys, crypto, daily analysis, crypto trades, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, daily Forex trade signals. We're trading crypto, we're trading Forex. We're absolutely crushing it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. See you in the next one. Over 2,600 members. Much love. Take care.